Congratulations to your new Prisma therapy device. Today I would like to give you the most important information on your therapy device. Further information, tips and recommendation you will also find on our YouTube channel, as well as under www.loewensteinmedical.com. At first I would like to show you what's the content of your transportation bag. At first you will find the therapy device, the Prisma therapy device with a touchscreen, as well as the breathing tube, the supply cable and the power supply, and the gray air filter. Optionally, you will also find the white pollen filter, as well as the humidifier called prismaAQUA. Looking at the therapy device, you will see at first the big touch screen. The device name is printed around the on-off key. You will see the device outlet for your breathing tube, as well as the connection for the heated tube system, in case you would use a heated tube system Prisma Hibernite. Here on top you will find the release catch, in case you need a humidifier prismaAQUA. At the rear of your device, you will find the filter compartment with the gray air filter and optionally the white pollen filter. The pollen filter is especially suited for people suffering from allergies, as well as in areas which are highly polluted. You will find the connection for the power supply cable, as well as a handle. To connect the device to the power supply, plug the power cable into the connection on the rear of the device. Press the clip first and then connect. Now plug the other end of the power supply into the electrical outlet. The device starts. The first 30 seconds, the patient-specific operation hours will be displayed. If needed, report those to your home care provider. After that, the device is in standby. To separate the device from the power supply, press the clip on the plug first and do not pull the power cable. Attach the breathing tube to the outlet port and connect the mask. Put the mask on. By pressing the on-off key, the therapy will start. You will see the mask symbol at the display. If the mask symbol appears in green, everything is perfect. If the mask symbol appears in orange or starts blinking, please refit your mask. To end the therapy, press the on-off key. At therapy end, information about your therapy will be displayed. Information regarding the mask fit, the therapy quality, and the usage time. These information will also be displayed if you press the I key.